Hello guys, this is Alice Jones Gaming and I'm going to show you how to install Minecraft for free. So now, first thing first, you have to go to Google. For Android only, you have to search Aptoid, C-A-P-T-O-I-D, Aptoid. And then you just press this, Aptoid. Just once, I'm sorry, the subscribe button, it has to be done for my viewer to subscribe. For my viewer to subscribe me. Then you have to press install Aptoid. Well, I already installed. I don't have to install Aptoid once again. When you have Aptoid, it's the symbol is this. Simple as that. Press search. You have to search for Minecraft Pocket Edition. Then you need to press search others. And for that, you have to go Minecraft Pocket Edition. You see that version? 0. Up here. Let me show you. Is that over here? Version 0.13.0. Build 5. Now you're going to click install button. And then you're just going to click install over here. It's over here. So just click install. It will install for a while. After you install it, you can go and play Minecraft PC for free. I got my subscribe and like together. Then you just can play it as normal. You can see, you can make a iron golem. You can do it in 0.12, no worries. We got rabbit, which is 0.13. Yes. And then you got zombie pig, man, that we will fight. Let's just try and make a lot of them. So that's it's not a mod or some sort. It's not a mod. It's not a mod. It's just vanilla Minecraft. You can see it will fly to the air. And that's a hidden feature. I don't know if one of you knew. It's on Minecraft 0.12. Then you get us some share and snow. I suggest now you can make snow golem. I think I can make snow golem like this way. No, you can't. For that, you go near it. I think you can show it. That's the true base of snow golem, as you can see. And if snow golems actually attack, for you peeps that don't know, that's it. Look. If it accidentally shoot an iron golem, the iron golem will kill it, as you can see. So yes, we're looking at Joe Gaming, my name, my skin, and all that good stuff. Now, the button size, you can make it big and swap the jump and sneak. So that jump is over here. Here, and the stick is over here. And this is the language. So yeah, that is all. If you enjoy it, might as well, click the subscribe button. Click this subscribe, and sometimes if you do like it, I don't know if you can see my red dot just blocking around me there. So that's how I get Minecraft Pocket Edition for free. Okay, that's all for today's episode, guys. Just one video for today. I hope you like it. So just let the subscribe button. It will surely help me and motivate me to do something. Upcoming video like Jurassic World, Terraria, Uno, Death Run, or Prop Hunt. Goodbye.